In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit the text of your Xomex WHMCS template. All of our WHMCS templates are fully customizable. Your products and services are added to the template via our built-in settings area wizard panel. All of the other text within the template is edited in a single file for each language. This setup makes it easier to find and edit text within the template while allowing support for multiple languages. For this tutorial, I am using the template Prosper. If you're looking for a premium WHMCS template for your website, we have you covered. Check the video description to view our full range and save 10% on your order using the coupon code YouTube. Let's go ahead and open the language file. Access your WHMCS directory and then navigate to the directories Modules, Add-ons, Xomex Template Manager, and then Lang. Within this directory, you will find the files for each language. You will need to edit the file of your active language as set in WHMCS. In this demo, we have one language enabled, English. So we can edit all of the text within the template via the dedicated english.php file. Let's go ahead and open the english.php file. It's important to note that these language files will never be overwritten during updates, so you can customize them as you see fit. The language file can seem very intimidating at first, but rest assured that you do not need any previous experience to edit it. I will show you just how easy it is to work with throughout this video guide. The setup of this file is PHP. As such, it needs to stick to a PHP format to avoid error. Each block of text is made up of a PHP string. This string in most cases will be one line, but can also be multiple as a block of content. On the left side of the equals, we have the language reference used by the template. This should be left as is. On the right side, we have the content between the double quotes. This is the content as displayed within the template that can be edited. Each string must maintain the starting double quotes and ending double quotes, and the semicolon. Missing any of these will cause an error. I recommend backing up the language file frequently. If an error does occur, we can easily fix it by using the backup. To create a backup, simply select all, copy and paste to a text file using a text editor. You can also download a copy of the english.php file directly. Before editing this file, I'll show you an example of an error. Let's remove one of the double quotes and semicolon. When we load the front-end website, we can now see the error displayed. To fix this instantly, copy the contents of the backup.txt file and replace the live english.php content. This has now successfully restored the website. Now that you understand how this file works and is structured, let's go ahead and make edits. At the top of this file we have global text. This contains a set of content that is likely to be repeated a lot throughout the template. Your company name, for example, is displayed throughout the template hundreds of times. Let's load the Terms of Service page to see the default company name. Within english.php, we can change the name between the double quotes to add our own. Refreshing the front end will show the change instantly applied. You will see many options to set icons throughout the template. The icons use Font Awesome, so it's very easy to change them. Let's head over to Font Awesome and find another icon to use. Copy the text and edit within the file. Save and refresh. Shared hosting is one of the 10 default service pages. The plans and banners of the shared hosting page are edited using Wizard Panel. The language file contains the remaining content of the page, including the overview, features, why choose us, and FAQ sections. Simply search the file for shared hosting, or more specifically webhosting.php, which is the URL. Another way to search for the content is by using the page reference. Head back to Wizard Panel and view the shared hosting page. At the top, you will see the language file reference used for the content, _custom1. Let's copy this reference and use it to search the language file. This will show all of the content used by the page in order. Let's scroll down to the overview content. This is the box that is displayed below the banner. The first setting is a true/false option. You will see these options throughout the file. They allow you to enable or disable a feature or block of content instantly. Setting disable to false will remove the banner from the front end. To display it again, simply change the display back to true. Edit the content between double quotes as you choose to update your website. Scrolling down again, we see the features. Let's make some edits to the content and check to see the changes live. If you don't want to display a feature, you can also set the display to false. You can also use a Find and Replace tool to instantly replace single words or blocks of content. For example, by default, the template references cPanel as the control panel. If you are providing, say, direct admin, we simply need to replace the two words. Save and refresh the page. This can also be used to disable blocks of content instantly across all pages. Let's scroll down to testimonials. This block of content is used on all hosting pages and the home page. If you want to display it site-wide, we can use the Find and Replace tool to update all true to false. And it's now removed from all pages. Each section of content also supports up to 10. For example, if a page has 6 features, you can easily add another 4. As an example, there are 3 FAQs listed on the shared hosting page. If you'd like to add another FAQ, simply duplicate the last block and increase the number accordingly. Let's go ahead and add FAQ 4. This video is brought to you by Xomex. At Xomex, we have been providing premium WHMCS themes and configuration services since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider making a small donation to the channel via the description of this video. Donations are much appreciated and will allow us to increase the quality and frequency of videos.